Hi, I wanted to tell you a bit about Ultimate List Builder Pro. We use our amazing Pass Up 4 system to help you build up your list to 4 times faster than conventional methods. Now what this means is everybody, both free and upgraded members, pass up their first 4 subscribers to their sponsor. We also supply all members with high converting squeeze pages, so it's real easy to get started. But if you want to make recurring income while building your list, I recommend starting as an upgraded member. So, what do you get for upgrading? You can earn recurring commissions with our 2-tiered commission plan, $20 on the first tier, $5 on the second. Here's just a quick example of the possibilities. If you make just, well, let's say 20 sales, you would get $400 each month. That's not bad, but then it gets interesting. If those 20 people also make 20 sales, you would get $2,000 each month on the second tier. So, just 20 sales could potentially earn you $2,400 recurring commission. You may do better or not as good. It's entirely up to you. But enough about commissions. What else do you get if you upgrade? There's no point in having a huge list if they don't buy into your offers. So, how do you turn your subscribers into buyers? Well, it's not by sending them nothing but a heap of paid offers. It's by giving them a mixture of good free content and gifts, as well as your paid offers, and we've got that covered for you as well. You will have access to over 30 ebooks hosted by us to give to your list as free gifts. But wait, it doesn't end there. You will also have access to our PDF maker, so you can make your own PDFs quickly and easily, and again, hosted by us. Now, the best way to build your list is to stand out from the crowd, look and do differently than everybody else, and yes, we've got that covered for you as well. You can create your own custom-made landing pages using our landing page generator, again, hosted by us. So, no messy uploading files or hosting accounts. Just create your page, get your link, and promote your page. The problem is, you won't even get started without a steady flow of traffic, right? Well, again, we've got it covered. We have a huge Rolodex of guest advertising resources for you to pick from, depending on your budget, just to get you started. So, just a quick summary of what you can expect with Ultimate List Builder Pro. Number 1, Pass Up 4 list building system. Number 2, high converting preloaded squeeze pages. Number 3, heaps of ebooks to give to your list as freebies. Number 4, PDF maker to create amazing PDFs. Number 5, a landing page generator so you can create unique landing pages. 6, a huge Rolodex of advertising resources to suit everybody's budget. And last but not least, number 7, our fantastic 2-tier commission plan. Finally, everything you'll need under one roof to start building like a real pro without all the hassle and failure that most marketers face.